How to evaluate 2 to the power 22 into 3 to the power 33? Here we can write 2 to the power 2 times 11 times 3 to the power 3 times 11. Okay, so here we can write 2 to the power 2 power 11 into 3 to the power 3 power 11. So this is 4 to the power 11 and this is 27 to the power 11. So very easy way we can write 4 into 27 to the power 11. So 4 times 27 means 108 power 11. This is the answer. Thank you. How to evaluate 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 3 divided 2 to the power minus 3 plus 2 to the power minus 3. First we can write like this way. Here is 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 3. It means 2 to the power 3. Okay, and same here also 2 into 2 to the power minus 3. So here is 2 and 2 we can divide. Here is 2 to the power 3 and here is 2 to the power minus 3. We know this one, a to the power n divided a to the power m means a to the power n minus m. So here we also can write 3 minus minus 3. So in this case we can write 3 plus 3. It means 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 means 64. Okay, thank you. How to evaluate 1 divided 32 to the power minus 6 by 5? So here we can write first 32 we can write 2 to the power 5 and here is power minus 6 divided 5. So this one what can we write? We can write 2 to the power minus 5 and here is minus 6 divided 5. So look, this 5 and this 5 cross, minus and minus plus, it means 2 to the power 6. The answer will be 64. Okay, thank you. Find x. Here x to the power 8 equals to 9 square. In this case first we have to make both sides same power or same base. So this is x and this is 9. So we have to make same power. It means here is x square, we can write power 4. And this 9 we can write 3 square and power here is square. Next line we can write like this way, 3 to the power 4. Look, here is power and power same. It means both sides base become equal. So what will be the answer? Here is x square equals to 3. So if we square root both sides, it will become x and here is plus minus root 3. This is the answer. Thank you.